Hi, I'm Mona from Change Capability, and today I've got with me our Recharge and Connect cards. So burnout and disconnect are real challenges in today's workplace. There's a loneliness pandemic, there's stress, people taking unexplained absenteeism or stress leave. But what if you could, as a leader, create moments that energize your team and strengthen relationships at the same time? So that's what the Recharge and Connect cards are for. They're little micro learning activities and skill building activities to be able to reinforce the skills to minimize stress and build connection within your team. So it's connecting with oneself, but also with the team, and encouraging self-reflection, but also team collaboration and the interaction, positive interactions with our team. So 3 ways that you can use these cards is our wellbeing check-in. So you could use them in team check-ins to start conversations about energy levels and balance. A simple question can help surface what is needed in your team to keep them engaged and supported. So for example, recall why you serve. You could ask your team, what brought you to this role? What makes you feel like you have meaning? And there's questions here that can guide your discussions. There's a bit of an explanation on the back, and then a question here to guide your reflective questions with your team. The second way that you could use these cards is connection breaks. So individuals can go into the lunchroom. You could leave these in the lunchroom. If you work in hot desking, you could leave these in a central area and people can pick them up on their breaks. But it's a really meaningful break time activity. So, this one, thank a colleague. It builds connection. It's got a bit of a description around how thanking a colleague can support them, and then ways that you could actually proceed to thank a colleague, or practicing intentional breathing, and a 2-minute activity on practicing intentional breathing to calm the nervous system, to focus, and to really be able to go back to work after lunch or after morning tea, afternoon tea, and to feel refreshed, even if it's a simple 2-minute activity. And that's what makes these great. These are all 1 to 2 to 3 minute at most activities that can be carried out to really recharge throughout the day. The third way is, again, self-leadership and growth and reflections. So you could keep these cards in your desk, if you have a desk, or in your backpack, in your locker room, and to use them for personal reflections. So whether, if you've come to a moment where you feel stuck in your work and you're not feeling the flow of work coming on, you could have a quick break. So sometimes we think we need to do more activities, we need to get busier if we can't think of, we can't creatively think of the next idea, or we can't come to a decision. Sometimes we need to step back, take a break, and there's quite a few, activities that you could do. So as a leader, clear your mind, clarity. This explains the importance of having clarity in your mind, and what you can actually do to reset your focus and clarity throughout your workday. So how are you using your cards? I'd love to know. Let me know. But thanks for watching this quick video on our Recharge and Connect cards, which are very popular because they're so colorful.